everyone, in this video we'll explore 10 must-visit destinations in Singapore, from modern landmarks to rich cultural cities. There's so much to see. Stay tuned and let's get started.
Marina Bay Waterfront. This scenic waterfront permit lets you experience the best of Singapore. Walk across the Helic Brigda, a unique pedestrian brigda offering stunning skyline view. Visit Marina Bay Sands, the iconic hotel with an observation deck showcasing breathtaking panoramas of the city and sea. Stop by the Art Science Museum, a lotus-bed building spanning art, science, culture, and technology. End your visit at Marillion Park, home to the famous Marillion Stage, a mythical culture with a lion's head and a fish body, symbolizing Singapore. Singapore unique neighborhood. Singapore different culture in realized in its vibrant district, Kampung Glam, the heart of Malay heritage, featured the Grand Sultan Mosque. Nearby Haji Land is lined with trendy boutique and cool cafe. Chinatown, a historic area with stunning temples like Buddha Tuteralik Temple, Sri Mariamma Temple, and Tai Ho Keng Temple. Visit the Chinatown Heritage Center to learn about the Chinese community history. Little India, a colorful district showcasing India culture. Don't miss Tan Teng Kian, a vibrant 1,900 villa, or explore breathtaking Fish Market and Hindu temple. Sentosa Island. This entertainment island was stunning man-made beach where Singapore imports sand for neighbor countries to create a tropical paradise. Things to do here: relax on the beach, visit Siloso, Palawan, or Tanjung Beach for sunbathing and water sport. Ride the Sentosa cable car, the best way to enjoy aerial view while connecting Sentosa to mainland Singapore. Night attraction, magical swords, a free nightly light and sound show from 7 p.m. o'clock to 10 p.m. o'clock. Dance park and attraction, Sentosa is home to Universal Studios Singapore, Aquarium and Adventure Cove water park for endless fun.
As for Canning Park, Canning Park is former home of the Malay kings and the park is command center of British Army. The park also houses 9 gardens. Some of the interesting ones are Sang-Nila Utama Gardens that integrate traditional Malay or Japanese culture. The Malay call for Canning Park the Forbidden Hill because it's said to be haunted by Singapore ancestors kings which are believed to be here. Shopping in Singapore. Singapore is shopping paradise. We can literally spend days shopping or window shopping at the following place: Lark Quay, where the nightlife of Singapore comes to life with numerous restaurants, bars, and clubs. By day, Lark Quay is shopping spot offering various shops and malls. Conveniently located next to the Singapore River, we can also embark on boat ride of cruise. Bukit Street. If you're looking for retail, start with the Bukit Street Market is offered a wide variety of options with bazaar in every corner, selling souvenir items, home to supply and clothing. There are 3 floors and over 600 shops to choose from. Orchard Road, Singapore Center of Shopping and Retail.
Changi Airport, Singapore. Changi Airport is not just a transportation hub but also a tourist destination on its own. In 2020, it was named the world's best airport for the 8th year in a row. Visitors can enjoy everything of facilities, including restaurants, shopping centers, entertainment options, and beautiful green space. Most shops and main attractions are located in Java Changi, just outside Terminal 1. So, Some of the top attractions at Changi Airport include Forest Valley, a walking track surrounded by lush greenery with a waterfall in the middle. ICBC Rain Vortex, the world's balance in the waterfall, which turns into a stunning light and sound show at night. Sled Terminal 3. Yes, Changi Airport has a slide that takes you to your boarding gate in a fun way. Themed gardens and play areas, various gardens and play zones where you can relax and enjoy the natural atmosphere inside the airport. How Parvilla. Everything you love about Asian culture can be found in the Usniku Cultural Park, one of the last of its kind in the world. It preserves a rich heritage, history, and art, which is a space filled with shaded pavilions. Our Park Villa is home to over 1,000 statues and dioramas that depict stories from Chinese mythology, folklore, and legends. The park also hosts social events, performance, food markets, and even lifestyle activities like yoga. Inspired by traditional Chinese architecture, the statues, walls, and pavilions offer a great way to explore Singapore's cultural heritage.
Botanic Garden, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, this 16-hectare park is perfect for jogging, bright watching, or relaxing. It's either the National Orchid Garden, the SBG Heritage Museum, and more. Entry is completely free, with plenty of dining and leisure options available inside. Okay, these are some of the top places to explore in Singapore. Food and market. Singapore dessert culture is reflected in its cuisine influenced by Chinese, Malay, India, and other backgrounds. Local prefer hawker center over restaurants due to affordability and variety. Maxwell Food Center is famous for serving the what chips Michelin-starred chicken rice, while Newton Food Center features in Crazy Rich Asian is a must-visit for tourists. Number 3, Singapore Botanic Garden. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, this 16-hectare park is perfect for jogging, bright watching, or relaxing. It's either the National Orchid Garden, the SBG Heritage Museum, and more. Entry is completely free, with plenty of dining and leisure options available inside. Garden by the Bay, a paradise for nature lovers. This 100-hectare park features stunning attraction, the OCBC Skyway, offering breathtaking aerial views, and the Super Tree Observatory overlooking Marina Bay. Don't miss the Garden Rhapsody Light and Sound Show at 7:45 p.m. and 8:45 p.m. daily. Other highlights include the Cloud Forest, home to an indoor waterfall, and the Flower Dome, showcasing flowers from the 5 botanic